Jai Hind everyone. Today is the day 76 of recording the video in English to boost my communication skill. And today, right now, I'm feeling well and kind of a confident person. And the reason is simple like today, right now, I am feeling that I will clear the CDS 1 2025 in my very first attempt, and basically it's a maiden attempt for the OTA. And for the IMA I wouldn't clear that because of there is the IMA requirement of the mathematics, and heavy mathematics is required for the IMA and for the AFA also. But my preference is Air Force Academy, but due to some reasons and due to time I couldn't clear it because of I have only 2 months. And in the 2 months, like studying the mathematics, studying the English, studying the GS is not possible, and from the basics it is also not possible 100%. So that's why I have targeted the CDS 1 2025 2026 for the OTA, Officers Training Academy. And after that I will just go for the written examination on 12 April 2026. And then if I have cleared the written examination, I will go for the SSB for the Officers Training Academy. But I want to tell you like why I am just feeling confident. So basically I have one time read it the geography, and also I have started to read it for the second time. And I have also completed the 10th class NCRT of the science, and then I will read the ninth class NCRT of the science, and then I will go for the current affairs, even though I have read it one time the current affairs of the September. And then I will basically jump for the polity and for the economics. I think I will read the polity also from the M. Lakshmikant, and that's the basic requirement for like making good marks in the CDS 1 2026. And that's why I want to inform you like I am feeling well, and also I have talked to one of my friends who is preparing for the CDS exam, and also he has completed the syllabus. And right now he told me like how you will prepare and how you will give the AFSBs, sorry SSBs, and how you will clear the examination and how you will go to recommendation. So that's why I'm damn sure about it. I will clear the written examination of the CDS, and then it's my first attempt. If God have a grace and also I have a good luck and also I have a good charm, I will make recommendation in this attempt, and it will definitely strengthens my perspective, my view towards